Are you pretty excited? And why, my dear, are you so excited? Okay, let's go. Check this out. It's her favorite thing in the world. Yep, look at that. Welcome to boat hell. Come on, you got a friend? Why don't you go play with your friend then? Let's go play. Come on, let's go play. Come on, let's go play. There you go. You like that snow, dude? Hey, how's it going? I wasn't gonna film, but I got to a point I wanted to just I'd said this a couple times, but I had no proof. So I was gonna prove it. So we started off on our project was basically we were gonna finish off the bilge, and putting the bilge pump back, adding some wire so it's not so taut, so it's got a little more, a lot of the wires in this boat weren't done with enough extra, so they're really tight, and that's caused some to break and other problems. So I'm just kind of adding a little bit here and there, and as every project goes, it just turned into something more because I'm heat shrinking everything, protecting stuff. I had to go to the store twice to get 2 different things, and then now I just walked across the street to the other sales supply store because the bilge pump, let me show you. Right here, this one right there, that's what goes to the bilge pump right there. That goes in there, right? They're actually, the outer diameter of the hose is larger than that. That's 1 inch. That hose is a little bit bigger, maybe 1 1/8 inches. Let me show you. So the hose runs from the bilge right there, and you can see it goes into the side of the wall there, and then what it does is makes us about a 45 down there, and then goes up the wall and out over there against the wall. You kind of see it behind that black and green hose there. There's a little square cut out in the wall, and the white hose is going out. That's the bilge line. It was simple. That's what we always think. It's simple. So we have the bilge pump down here. We have the kicker switch right there. And then it's all wired into here from the bilge down in there. The problem is that all the wires are so short that to really rearrange where the bilge goes down in there is pretty tough because the wires are at their stretching peak. That means it's causing strain on the connections. And so I'm adding wire in. That was the plan. And then I noticed that the bilge hose isn't the right size. So that causes potential air leak. It's the bilge pump. It's a safety thing. It needs to be perfect. At least on my boat, it needs to be solid. And so I'm having to redo that hose. So I got some hose. What I'm going to do is duct tape the new hose to the end of the old hose and try and pull it up through that water locker. The water maker's in there, and it'll pull it up through the bilge, the new hose up into the water maker. It's just that there's about a 45-degree turn it makes, and so it's pretty tough. But the hose I got is now a little bit smaller, so that's the correct size hose. So hopefully it'll fit through that a lot easier. But we're going to give that a go, and so I'll probably high speed this so you can just watch the process and not me sitting here talking. Got a heat gun. Ooh, nice. Melting my brain cells. Wouldn't be the first time. First things first, we got to make room because I need to get in that closet in there, so I'm going to have to get all the paint and all these other tools up and out of the way. Like I said earlier in the other video, it's like moving crap on top of crap, over here on top of that crap, back over here on top of that crap. Living aboard a sailboat, you have limited space for everything. Yes. Right, so I'm gonna get busy, start moving shit. Here's the new hose, by the way. I got 2 pieces, and I had a fitting. Where'd the fitting go? Oh, there it is. And a fitting. I got 2 pieces, so in case it was short, which I think it is gonna be, I'll just have extra. So, but that'll work. So. Ooh. Oh yeah. That is gonna be a bitch. It's smaller, hopefully it'll work. I should probably take that off. So here, I'll show you. So we gotta follow this hose. You can see it makes a nice little 45 in there. It goes all the way up to the back wall over there. It'd help if I turn the light on in there, probably. Ow. It'll come on eventually. Ow! Typical. Small spaces. Oh. Man. Ow. Alright then. Nice hairdo. See that comb over? Fuck. I'm looking. Hainer. Hainer! I got the bilge pump mounted down in there, and I'm just now covering the wire with this plastic tubing sheet. It just keeps it organized, out of the way. Oh, I'll put some mount zip ties on the ceiling above so that it's up out of the water, and in case something happens I gotta get in there and work on it. It'll be easy and fast. A lot better. But basically we've mounted, you can see down in there, the bilge is down in there in that corner, and then the manual bilge on this side is that brown pipe. So, ow, pretty much finishing up. I'm just trying to straighten all this wiring up here. It was just to add a little bit of wire, get some length. Ended up taking all day. Welcome to boat life. There we go. There's the other ones right here. And I think what we'll do is mount this somewhere up in here. Maybe even just do that. That's perfect. Looks about good there. Looks about good there too. I just got these little mountain zip tie, and they have a little place where a screw can go through. And then they just mount the wires to the wall so they're up and out of the way. Just simple. Just zip tied. Not that simple. Not much room, just enough. No. There we go. She's in. Let me just zip tie. Holy God. There you go. Up and out of the way. Oi. Oi. That's it. Well, let's come up with a plan. Well, that was a waste on that one. Sucks, because those are expensive. Wouldn't do much good if you fucking break the heat seal, you fucking turd. Fuck! Do I have Tourette's? Hey, what's up, bud? I think I have Tourette's! Brown goes red. Brown goes red. Brown, which is yellow. Brown is yellow. Yellow goes red. Brown is yellow. Yellow goes red. Forgot to heat shrink them. Fucking $25 part, and you don't take advantage of it. That'd be stupid! Heat shrinking. You want to see this happen? It's kind of cool. Here. Oh, here we go. Hot. Ow. Hot, hot, hot. Woo-wee. Hot chocolate. Ow. Those are hot. Hey, good morning. Hey, so this morning we're gonna take out the painting thing I built, a plastic visqueen paint room, and I thought I'd share while I rip it open this morning. So, here we go. Put you up here, hopefully it's stable enough.